Here's how to add an audio visualizer to your video in CapCut. Open CapCut and click Create Project. Import your video by clicking Import in the top left, selecting your file and clicking Open. Click the plus icon on the video to add it to your timeline. Now click Library in the top left corner and select Green Screen from the options. Browse through the green screen assets and find the Audio Spectrum Green Screen option, and click the plus icon to add it to your timeline above your main video clip. With the Audio Spectrum layer selected, click Remove Background, then click Chroma Key and select the pencil icon. Navigate to the green area of the spectrum and CapCut will key it out. Adjust the Cleanup Edge slider to remove any remaining green fringing around the visualizer. Click Play to preview the result. You should see the Audio Spectrum visualizer layered cleanly over your video, responding to the audio in your project. A tip: if the visualizer is covering important parts of your video, tap and drag it to reposition it. You can also scale it up or down by pinching with 2 fingers or dragging the corner handles. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.